What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry speaking from the garage shop. You know, I've been getting tons of questions and comments about the Trailblazer SS project, and I thank you. People want to know what the latest update is. Well, check it out. Some rust removal. A little rust there. Some paint. You can see this all looks freshly painted because I had a little rust spots here. I had to do a little body work on this bar right here, make it look nice and straight. Same here, rust issues. Surface rust as far as the rust that we had here. The surface rust, which we got looking all nice. But then again, we went over to the driver's side because we didn't want the driver's side to look all nasty and ashy where the passenger side looked all beautiful. But now, the driver's side looking all kinds of beautiful. It is amazing what you can do. Some color code correct rattle can paint and some U-Pole clear. And this is just the beginning. We removed all the rust from the bottom half, frame as well, treated it, and we shot it with a real pretty coat of black because we want the bottom half to look as good as the top. And at this time, I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for all the love and attention and everything like that. Keep it coming, and more updates to come. And we got a lot of videos coming as well. All right. So as always, be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.